My name's Casey Shepard, Director of Sales with Encon Equipment out of Nicholasville, Kentucky. We serve the whole state of Kentucky and the east side of Indiana. We decided to come on to be a Magni dealer because of the product, the value. They got great people, great service. It's a state-of-the-art piece of equipment, and it's the future. Magni is beneficial to our customers in several different ways. First and foremost is the safety aspect of it, the LMI system, the active load charting, and then also saves time and money and personnel. So the Magni support starts with our sales guy, Jay Jude. Jay does an amazing job, always there for us no matter what, helping us out as a new dealer, walking us through the process. The service side of it has been phenomenal, helping our service techs learn and understand the equipment, all the way down to the marketing side of it. They're there getting us the information we need to help pass that along to our customers and help market their product and help market Encon equipment. The service training is pretty remarkable. We sent several techs down, about 4 or 5 of our guys down for a week in their training, and those guys came back 100% confident. Their sales training is phenomenal. It's always hands-on, on-site, make it very easy for the dealer to have access. If you're looking to become a Magni dealer, the first thing I would do is do your research, do your homework, understand what the product is. I'm really excited about the journey. It's been a short time that we've been on board, lots of success. We've sold our first large 630 to a customer, and that was really exciting for us. Decent profit margins, and we're really looking forward to the next 12 to 18 months and growing with Magni as a partner.